put the candle in. Unfortunately, it's not dark out, so we won't get the full effect. But we might be able to see a little bit of flickering candle in there. Get my little star tip again. Oh, I want to actually show you one more thing. When I do my royal, I do it in packets. I don't know if you guys know this. I take let me grab one of those. And I do this with buttercream too. I take saran wrap and I lay it out, a piece out, and then I put a glob of my buttercream or my royal in there, and then I roll it up and I twist it like this. So that when I want to finish off with a piping bag, so let's say I finished with this piping bag and it's done and I want to switch out colors, I can take my piping bag and I can open it up and I can just pull out my packet, and I still have a ton of royal in here, and I've got a fairly clean bag. The bag is fairly clean. So then I could take another packet, and I would snip off one end and just drop it in there, and my bag stays clean, and I still have a royal, and I can switch out colors. So that I like using my bags that way, because it just seems to keep the bags clean, and you can switch out colors fairly easily when you're doing that.
Excellent. We've seen it in buttercream. I didn't know we could do it with royal.
You can do it with royal. Well. You really have to use it the same day, because royal ends up starting to break down if you don't use it right away. So you can do this with buttercream, and you can throw them in your fridge and you can keep them for 2 weeks and it'll still be fine. When you take it out of your fridge, you just got to kind of warm it up a little bit and you can use it. Royal, you really can do this, but you really have to use it the same day, because it's going to start breaking down and you're not going to be able to use it after that. But I do like using that. So let's put the candle in.
That's just an ordinary candle?
Just a regular candle. This is a candle in a jar because that's what we had, but you can use a regular candle. You can put a small candle in front of each window if you want to, or just one in the center. So, if you want it to really, each little window to be lit up, you could put a candle in front of each one and light all those. But just even one in the center gives it a really nice look. All right.
Those fancy matches.
So we're going to lay that in here. We're going to put it in front of our little window that is decorated. And I actually think you can kind of see that. So this is it without the candle in it. And then here you go when you put the candle in. And you can see how it lights up and you get the nice, pretty light behind your glass windows.
It's pretty.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Very pretty.
And it smells delicious.
Excellent. Oh, it sure does.
Doesn't it smell good?
It smells great around here.
So
I'm a big gingerbread fan, and this is and the like you were saying, the warmth of the candle kind of heats up the gingerbread.
The warmth of the candle heats up the gingerbread as it's burning into the evening, and you get that beautiful gingerbread smell all throughout your house.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge hand for Monika Stout. Yay! Yay. We'll finish this project off and we'll have it available at the Yummy Arts Library. Thank you so much, gang, for watching. We appreciate it, and we will see you all next time. One more time for Monika Stout.
Happy holidays. Bye-bye.